So let us begin with the solution for question number 5. Siddhant sold goods to Sudhir at rupees 43,800. This is the amount of sales. Okay, the transaction इस तरह से चालू हो गया, and it is on 18th March 2019. So 2019, 18th March. First entry is the goods are sold to Sudhir. Sudhir account debit to sales. The entry for that Sudhir's account debit to sales account. Sudhir account debit to sales account. Amount is 43,800. Being goods sold on credit. Being goods sold on credit. Here entries are expected only in the books of drawer. तो एक ही book का entry आपको बोलना है. Okay. Then next. Then Siddhant draws a bill. Okay. So what is the any change in date? No change in date. Same day. Same day. So entry for the bill drawn is bills receivable account debit. Bills receivable account debit 43,800 to Sudhir account 43,800. आपको एग्जाम में इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम आता है. नॉर्मली इन वन बुक, ड्रॉवर के बुक में 90% cases. Being bill drawn for 3 months. Being bill drawn for 3 months. Okay. Now Siddhanta discounted the bill with the bank at the rate 8% per annum. तो पहले अभी आपको वर्किंग नोट भी लिखना है. You are supposed to write working notes for calculation of discount. First working note is for calculation of discount. Okay. And how we are going to calculate the discount? Amount is 43,800 divided by 100 into 8 upon 1. 8 upon 1. But look at the period of the bill. Okay. The period of the bill is given to you 3 months. 3 months है. And it is discounted on the same day. उसी दिन उसने discount किया है. So 3 upon 12. Okay. Now if you are calculating, you are getting the answer in this way. ये गया, ये भी गया. 3 4s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. Okay. Multiply करोगे तो amount आएगा 876. So the amount of discount is 876. 3 चौका 4 दूने 8, 438 into 2, you are getting 876. Now 43,800 minus 876. So we are getting the remaining amount 42,924. 42,924 rupees. So 43,800 minus that. Okay. अब डिस्काउंटिंग का एंट्री क्या आता है? इट इज नंबर 3. प्रोफार्मा एंट्री नंबर 3 है. सेम डे बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 42,924. Discount account debit, it is 876 to bills receivable account, it is 43,800. So we are getting the amount, this amount after cutting the discount. Discount cut करने के बाद कितना amount मिला आपको? 42,924. Discount is 876. Okay. So this is the entry to be taken. याप्रमाणे एंट्री घ्यायला पाहिजे. Now the next, proceed with the next. What is given to you on the due date? अब practically due date calculate करना है. From 18th March count 3 months. 18th March to 18th April. 18th April to 18th May. 18th June plus 3 days. 21st June. What happened? The bill is dishonored. Okay, यहाँ पे एंट्री आएगा 8B. सुधीर अकाउंट डेबिट 43,800. जब भी बिल डिसऑनर होता है तो पहले आपको ड्रॉवी को पकड़ना है, उसको डेबिट करना है. इन द बुक्स ऑफ ड्रॉवर, ड्रॉवी इज डेबिटेड. सुधीर इज ड्रॉवी टू बैंक. Why to bank? Because presently the bill is discounted with the bank. हमने तो बिल बैंक में डिस्काउंट किया है, तो एंट्री आने वाला है सुधीर अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट 43,800. The case is 8B. The bill discounted and dishonored. This is only called as application of entries. मैंने आपको बोला था कि आपको एंट्रीज याद नहीं करना है, एंट्रीज कैसे अप्लाई करना है वो सीखना चाहिए. You must be able to learn how to apply the given pro forma entries. Okay. Narration. Being billed dishonored. Being billed dishonored. Dishonored. फिर क्या हुआ? What is given to you? Okay. सुधीर रिक्वेस्टेड सिद्धांत. अभी सुधीर का फॉल्ट नहीं है, तो उसने सिद्धांत को रिक्वेस्ट किया, भाई एक काम करो, अभी मैं आपको 13,800 देता हूं और बैलेंस अमाउंट के ऊपर जो इंटरेस्ट है वो भी साथ में देता हूं, कैश पे देता हूं, एंड बैलेंस अमाउंट के ऊपर लिए आप मेरे ऊपर नया बिल निकालो. एग्रीड? कोई बात नहीं. ओके, ऐसा तो होता ही है प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में. So now we are going to calculate the interest and your attention is required. Please write a working note number 2. Calculation of interest. Calculation of interest. The amount total is 43,800. Okay. अब कैश में आपको मिलने वाला है 13,800. Then balance left is now 30,000. 30,000 balance हो गया. Out of 43,800, 13,800 we are getting in cash plus interest on the balance. लेकिन वो interest calculate करना पड़ेगा. And always remember, interest is always to be calculated on the balance. Balance के ऊपर interest calculate करते हैं, which is given 12% for 2 months, 12% for 2 months, 12% for 2 months. Please see how to calculate. 30,000 divided by 100 multiplied by 12 upon 1 into 2 upon 12. Okay. ये 12 भी गया. So actually the amount of interest is coming rupees 600. और ये interest आपको cash में add करना है. This interest is added in cash. So actually you are getting 14,400 in cash. You are getting 14,400 in cash. And this is a new bill. This is your new bill. नया बिल भी निकलेगा. Now here 3 entries कैसे आएगा देखो. First of all, you are supposed to take the entry of interest, which is a 9C. Then you are getting cash 9B part payment, और ये आएगा 9D for new bill. Okay. 9 ये क्या है? मतलब these are pro forma entries number. तो सबसे पहले इंटरेस्ट का एंट्री करना पड़ेगा. सुधीर अकाउंट डेबिट. सुधीर अकाउंट डेबिट 600 to interest account 600. Sudhir to interest 600. Being 12% interest charge for 2 months. 12% interest charge for 2 months. Now you are getting the part payment. Part payment मतलब आपको payment मिल गया, cash और bank account debit 14,400. Actually 13,800 is the amount given, लेकिन उसमें interest भी साथ में मिलने वाला है. Okay. So 14,400 add करके to Sudhir account. To Sudhir account 14,400. Narration. Being part payment received. Being part payment received. Part payment received. And now for the balance, new bill. New bill मतलब जो bill हम लोग draw करते हैं वही entry आने वाला है. The entry is similar to that. Bills receivable account debit 30,000 to Sudhir account 30,000. Being new bill drawn for balance. New bill drawn for balance. Okay, look at the last line in the problem. For every line, there is a journal entry. Okay. Before due date of new bill, Sudhir retired the bill. Retired means, retirement of the bill means making the payment of the bill before due date. Due date के पहले उसने bill retire कर दिया, payment कर दिया. By paying how much amount? 29,700. If you are looking at the new bill amount, 30,000 amount है, उसने कितना दिया? 29,700. मतलब हमने उसको कितना डिस्काउंट दे दिया या रिबेट दे दिया? 300 का रिबेट दिया. इतना अच्छा काम कर रहा है, उसको कुछ ना कुछ रिबेट तो देना पड़ेगा. So here entry number 6 is applicable. The date, okay, date के बारे में बाद में बात करते हैं. Entry coming in this way: cash, public bank account debit 29,700. Discount, public rebate account debit. Okay, some teachers say discount, some teachers say rebate. हम दोनों भी लिख देंगे. चलो. To bills receivable account. Bills receivable account. Amount is 30,000. Being bill retired. Being bill retired under discount. Being bill retired under discount. Take the total of journal. Journal का total करना चाहिए. Okay, 2,50,200. The total of journal is a 250,200. 2,50,200. Okay. Now similar problem. एक assignment आपको देता हूँ. I am giving assignment, but I am telling you now orally. Please write the problem. मैं आपको एक assignment देने वाला हूँ जो आप लिखने वाले हो. Start writing, please. This is a dateless problem now. क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी मैंने date नहीं लिखा. Before due date means what? It is not given to you. Okay, so उसको छोड़ दो. Anyway, now write the problem, please. Rupali sold goods to Deepali, sold goods to Deepali, rupees 40,000, 40,000, 40,000, 40,000. Rupali drew a bill on Deepali. Rupali drew a bill on Deepali for 3 months. For 3 months. 3 months. On the same day. On the same day. Rupali discounted bill with the bank. Rupali discounted bill with the bank at the rate 10% per annum. 10% per annum. मतलब आपको डिस्काउंट इस तरह से कैलकुलेट करना है मंथ वाइज 3 महीने का 10% per annum. Now on the next paragraph, on due date, the bill is dishonored. Bill is dishonored. Dishonored. Deepali requested Rupali. Deepali requested Rupali to accept rupees 15,000, 15,000 in cash with 6% interest on balance. With 6%, 6% interest on balance for 2 months. Before the due date. Before the due date, Deepali retired the bill for rupees 24,500. 24,500. Pass journal entries in the books of Rupali. रुपालीच्या बुक्स मध्ये एंट्रीज पास करायच्या आहेत. आपको रुपाली के बुक्स में एंट्री पास करना है. सेम प्रॉब्लम है. चेंज इन अमाउंट, चेंज इन कैरेक्टर्स, नाम अलग है. ओके, so you are requested to solve this problem.